Hello everyone, Namaste. This is Nilanshi and welcome back to my YouTube channel Nilanshi Patel, the real life Rapunzel. First of all, whoa, after a long time, I know I heartily apologize for not being consistent on YouTube on posting videos, but because of my academics as I am in IIT and because of a quite hectic schedule, I wasn't able to continue posting videos on YouTube. But now I'm back, and because I thought I should let you know about regarding my life updates, regarding my hair length, about my Nilanshi enterprise and many more. So today I'm here, so let's get started. So today I'm here to let you know about my hair length updates. As you all know, recently on 14th of April there was a haircut anniversary. Yes, it's been a 1 year of my haircut. I can't even believe that when I cutted my hair it was just this much long, and now it's this much long. You can see how much my hair grew and its strength as well as its growth. So to measure how much hair length it grew, I first of all clipped up the pin at the hair length when it was cut. So when my hair was cut, it was just this much long, but now it's this much long, as you can see. So let's measure how much is this length, which will eventually tell us how much my hair length grew in this 1 year. So now let's measure how much is the length. So as we have just seen that my hair grew 25 centimeter, 24 to 25 centimeter in just 1 year. Oh my god, it's really great. I mean, it's amazing to grow hair 25 centimeter long in just 1 year. And I must say, it is just because of my Nilanshi hair products. My Nilanshi hair products, which includes Nilanshi hair oil, Nilanshi shampoo, Nilanshi hair mask and Nilanshi conditioner. I must say it's all because of them. As I have applied, I have cared my hair and I have used them consistently without any break in my hair, and results are in front of you. My hair becomes so smooth, it's so soft, its strength and its growth. It grew really fast because my Nilanshi products have 100% organic without any harmful chemicals, paraben free, SLS free, sulfate free, all the harmful chemical free. So I really appreciate my Nilanshi products, and how can I forget to talk about my skin? It's also grow beautifully. I mean, you can see my skin, it's glowing and it's so soft, and it's all because of my 100% organic Nilanshi skin products, which includes Nilanshi face mask and Nilanshi face wash. I mean, I got a really amazing reviews from my customers regarding my all 6 Nilanshi products, and I felt so much proud and so much happy that people liking my products, and it's spreading all over India as well as abroad. So have you used my Nilanshi products? If yes, then thank you so much. I hope you liked it, and surely let me know your feedback, as well as send me your feedback video on the description, email ID as well as my business WhatsApp number. So you can send me your feedback. I would love to see your long hair and your hair growth. And if not, then what are you waiting for? Do go to the links in the description and purchase Nilanshi products. You will never regret of purchasing it. So do use it and surely give me the feedback. Also, you can purchase my Nilanshi products from my business WhatsApp number given in the description. So do go through that if you want to change your hair look, your appearance with nature. Taking care of your hair and your skin is our Nilanshi Enterprise responsibility. Also, one more thing, like all the videos regarding my Nilanshi products, how to use it, what ingredients are in it, all are on my YouTube channel. So do check that out as well so that you will use my Nilanshi products with clear mind. I hope you will be happy to see my hair growth, you will happy to see my hair length, and it will also grow more and more in future, and your hair will also grow beautifully. So do use it and do stay connected with me. Your love, your support gives me a strength to make videos for you. I love you so much. See you soon. Stay healthy and stay happy. And also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will not miss any further updates.